More shopping from Dollar Tree. Well, here's just a few of my favorite things. My daughter does a lot of DIY projects and joins in with quite a few of these refurbishing these little Dollar Tree houses. And so these were made a little different than the ones she bought a case of. So I figured, well, I found them, I might as well buy them, because we never know how hard it is to find some more of them. So I got two of them, that's all they had. And because I do a lot of miniature gardens, this little dog here looks so cute in the center, and I said, let me go ahead and buy one of those. Super cute. And look at the little goggles on the little dog's head. And they finished off so cute, the color, the eyes, the mouth, everything about it. The detail work was really nice. And this one had two little cats and two little dogs, and I thought it would be great for same reason, because I do a lot of miniature gardens. I'll open it up and let the poor little dogs and kitties escape out. And the little kennel I may use or I may not. But I definitely am going to use the kitties and the doggies. That's why I bought it. I figured for 5 pieces, $1.25. You can't beat that. That means they were 25 cents each. And not much can you buy for 25 cents anymore. Well, I thought it would be nice to pick a few things up for Memorial Day for a display or two. And then I also thought it would be nice we could use some of these same items for the 4th of July. What do you think? Now keep in mind, everything you see here I paid $1.25 for. I thought the little thing that says America, and it looks like the red, white, and blue looks so pretty together, does it not? I'm going to use it in the cozy corner, I think. And then I'm going to make up a display for Memorial Day and put some hamburgers and chips in these paper trays. And then for the 4th of July, I will do probably something similar. But I thought it was so pretty. I loved how it was finished off with the red, white, and blue. America the Beautiful, Home of the Brave, and Liberty, and let's see, what else does it say? Light of the sky on. It probably means the 4th of July. Oh my gosh. Oh, I see the little fireworks too now. You could probably really look at this for a while and see all kinds of stuff we're not noticing. United we stand. Oh my. Isn't it done so cute? So anyway, that's why I bought them. They're little trays that you can put your hamburgers in and chips. Then I found this beautiful little American flag, and streaming down says USA. Thought that was great also. And over here, I have these little beads with the stars of silver, blue, and red. I thought it was really nice. It'll look pretty in a display also. Then I saw these foam wands, and it says USA on them also. So we're staying with the USA theme for this display. And I thought this looks pretty with the ribbons coming down, the red and white and blue. And they'll look beautiful stuck in a flower arrangement, I think. Then I found some more beads. Aren't they beautiful? And it's the same thing, red, white, and blue. And they're all twisted. Then I found some perfect napkins that look like the American flag. And I already bought some beautiful napkin rings to use there with them. And then let's come in close. And these little treat cups say, America the Beautiful. We could put candy or pudding in there. I don't know. I sort of think maybe I'd like to have some pudding. Maybe that sort of reminds me of what it's like being here. Pudding is a great dessert. And you know what might be good? Sort of an all-American banana pudding. Doesn't that sound good? Yes, I think that's what I'm going to make. I'm going to put banana pudding in my little dessert cups, and put a hamburger and chips in this. Well, let me know what you think, my dear friends. Did you think I got a lot of good things, or do you think maybe I shouldn't have spent so much, or do you think we got nailed it? Let me know what you think. We always love hearing updates and seeing what everybody likes that we've done. I will try to make a meal for the Memorial Day, and I'll try to make a meal with these items for the 4th of July. Probably will be very similar meals, because what is more American than hot dogs and hamburgers? Well, let me know what you think, my dear friend. Now, let's move on to one more thing that I bought. Well, here are our last 5 items from this shopping haul. Can you believe all the things I picked up? I can't even believe it. I have a problem with shopping, as you can tell. I need to stay out of Dollar Tree. Well, let's get back to our story. We got 2 little mushrooms here, as you can see. I think they'll be perfect for our fairy gardens for June. Don't forget, our challenge is going to be June 1st, 2022. Then I saw this beautiful sign, welcome. Doesn't it look beautiful? The colors are so vibrant. I just loved it. And the dragonfly is one of my favorites for the garden. Then I found one little bird that had a touch of gold. And I thought it looked super cute for the garden. What do you think? Then I can hang this cute little owl on one of my pots. I thought, oh my gosh, isn't that cute? Only $1.25. I thought it was a great buy. What do you think? Well, I'm happy with what I got. This is the end of my shopping trip, and hope I stay out of Dollar Tree for at least another month. So we're going to count this as my June shopping trip to Dollar Tree. And as you see, I got quite a few things. I got some new seeds for my garden. I got things to do for Memorial Day and 4th of July. And I have some stuff here for my fairy garden challenge. And I just found a lot of really nice containers for flower arrangements. I was very pleased, and I'm sure there's enough here for 5 or 6 posts with no trouble. Not counting, I just put up 2 on the shopping trip. Well, I'd like to tell you all thank you so much if you've watched to the very end. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Now, don't forget, if you enjoyed the video and if you came to the very end, I would assume you enjoyed the shopping trip. Click that like button, give me a thumbs up, and think about joining in and being part of the family if you're not already there. We are really doing great, I think, putting as much content up as we're doing for all of you to enjoy. And we're putting up at least 2 garden videos a week. Starting next month in June, it's Fairy Month. There'll be 30 fairy gardens. Don't forget to think about joining in.